what we are getting to know of a chopper belonging to Kathmandu Air Dynasty Heli Services has crashed while landing at a helipad. Earlier this morning, as the report suggests, that the chopper was carrying at least 5 passengers on board and went down around 11:51 a.m. One passenger reportedly has been injured, and the pilot and all other passengers are reported to be safe, thankfully. And rescue operations the team that was dispatched to the spot. Initial reports suggest that strong winds or dust may have caused the crash. But thankfully, what we are getting to know, Rishabh, there hasn't been any reports of any casualties owing to the air disasters that we have seen last year and even this year.
Understand right now that this crash took place while landing and only one person has been injured. That was not fatally injured. The pilot is safe and all the other people on board. There were a total of 5 people on board this chopper. Rest 4 are safe. Only one has been injured. And this happened while this chopper was landing and because of gusty wind is what we are given to understand. The chopper lost its control and it crash landed. But thankfully there hasn't been any loss of life in this crash, because remember, in Nepal, when it comes to aviation, there are a lot of risk there, and we have seen in last 2 to 3 years how the crashes have been problematic, which have led to many lives. Well, what we're given to understand right now that, this chopper was landing, and because of gusty wind and dust storm, there was, the way, this whole landing was taking place, the chopper lost its control, and while it was landing, it crash landed. The altitude of the chopper was not much to say, and that's why this whole crash did not ended up being fatal. All the 5 people who were on board are safe. One is injured for sure, but he is also safe, is what we are given to understand.
All right. So as it descended on that makeshift landing site, what is being said that the helicopter lost control, resulting in a crash that damaged the machine, but however saved the lives of the people on board or even on the ground. One reportedly injured. Thank you very much for the moment, Rishabh, for joining in with that update.